Now let's demo a new feature in Gatsbi Writer 3.0 called Deep Research. Sometimes when you paste your research notes, they don't yet include complete results or findings. In that case, Gatsbi Writer won't guess. Instead, it will clearly prompt you to write a strong paper. Please add your results or key findings. And if you don't have them yet, that's where Deep Research helps. When you type Deep Research, the automated workflow starts. Based on your topic, it first searches relevant papers and public sources, identifies research gaps, and proposes research questions or key dimensions, along with a suitable methodology. Then it follows that method step by step to collect evidence. You'll see it downloading and reading public report. And if open data sets are available, it will also try to download and analyze them. This process usually takes around 10 minutes. Finally, it synthesizes everything into evidence-backed conclusions, and with that, you're ready to start writing your paper with Gatsbi Writer. Deep research is especially useful for fields like humanities, management, and policy research, where public online evidence is rich, from topic to conclusion and automatically.